Dear viewers, welcome to our channel Tamil Padikalam. Learn Tamil. Our aim is to assist those who want to read, write, and speak Tamil and enjoy Tamil literature. Though commonly known as Tamil, its actual pronunciation is Tamil. Hereafter, we will refer to it by the correct pronunciation Tamil. So far, the impression was that Tamil is difficult to learn. It is not true. You are going to experience the easiness with which one can learn it. In Tamil, there are 12 vowels, உயிர் எழுத்துக்கள் or life letters, 18 consonants, மெய் எழுத்துக்கள் or body letters, and one special character, ஆயுத எழுத்து. The vowels are known as life letters because they can stand on their own. The consonants are called body letters. They cannot be pronounced without the help of the life letters. This we will see in detail while we learn consonants. The 18 consonants and 12 vowels combine together to produce 216 உயிர் மெய் எழுத்துக்கள், life body letters. Let us first get introduced to the alphabets. The 12 vowels are A, E, U, A, I, O, Au. In a tabular form, the vowels are given below. The first alphabet is A. It is pronounced as A as in at. A. The second alphabet is A. It is pronounced as A as in all. A. Similarly, E is I as in it. E. E is E as in eel. U. It is as U in put. U. It is as in pool. A is E as in egg. A is A as in bake. I is A as in I. O is O as in one. It is O as in gold. Owl is owl as in owl. In the lessons that follow, we will get introduced to the Tamil alphabets along with their respective pronunciations and written format. The first of the Tamil alphabet is the vowel A. It is pronounced as the English alphabet A in the word at. A. Its written form is very much similar to that of the English alphabet A. Let us compare the written form of the English alphabet A and that of Tamil vowel A. In the print font of A, we have a circular arc on the top and then a horizontal line followed by a vertical line. So this is A. A circular arc, then a semicircle followed by a horizontal line and then a vertical line. Is it not easy to identify A? Yes, this is A. The second alphabet is the vowel A. It is pronounced as the English alphabet A in all. Now let us compare the two letters A and A. In the letter A, at the top, at the bottom of the vertical line, we have a circular arc. So this is A. Now the third vowel is the vowel E. In the letter A, we have, instead of the vertical line, we have a circular arc going to the top. So this is E. So let us once again practice it. A circular arc, then a semicircle, a horizontal line, then a circle going to the top. So this is A. The fourth vowel is E. It is pronounced as E in eel. Its form is inverted tin. With a dot inside and another dot outside. So this is E. Single letters also have some meanings in Tamil. A is used to denote an object at a distance. A means cow. E is used to denote an object near us. E means give. It also refers to a common housefly. Now the symbol A is also used to denote the number 8 in Tamil number system. We have seen the way of writing the four vowels A, E and E. The remaining alphabets will be dealt with in the next video. Concept conceived and presented by Professor A. Muttarasu. Design and editing by my daughter Nandini Arasi. Thank you. Nandri.